In earlier videos, we have seen how to use if function, if along with and or, and even nested if. But now today, we will see how we can use wildcard in if function's logical test. This doesn't work as it is expected to. I'll show you some workaround with which we can achieve this, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. We have few addresses here and our objective is to find the status of the address depending upon the criteria, which is if our address contains SC, then the status should be local, otherwise interstate. But the problem here is that SC is part of the address, so we can't directly compare it in the if function's logical test, although we can try with wildcard. For those who doesn't know what wildcard is, these are characters which are extremely helpful when you need to find results that are something less than exact. So let us try to use wildcard in our if function's logical test. We want to search in address and we are looking for SC, and this can be anywhere in the address. So we will use wildcard before and after our text SC. Return local if found, otherwise interstate. Now although there is SC in the address, but our result is not as we expected it to be. This is because wildcard doesn't work in if function's logical test. So now let us break this down. Our first objective here is to find if the address has SC or not, and then apply logical condition. So we have another function, search, which can look for text within the string. So let us use search function here. We are looking for SC and we want to find it in address. Okay, so this function is returning us a number which is the position of SC in the address. Now let us check this in all the addresses. We will just use keyboard shortcut Ctrl D to copy the above cell. So when the text is not available, this function returns an error. But in this address, although the state isn't SC, this function has returned number. This is because SC characters are in the name and search function is case insensitive. Now we have two options here. Either we can use find function, which is case sensitive instead of search, this way, or we can provide additional information, that is space before SC and comma after, to the search function, like this. Let us continue with the second option and copy this formula in all the cells. But if you remember, we wanted a black and white result, which we can use in if function, but we have managed to get result in numbers if our text is available, and error otherwise. Now let us wrap our search function in isNumber function. And now we have result as true. So what the isNumber function does here is that it checks whether the result returned by the search function is the number or not. If the result is number, then this will return true and false otherwise. Now let us copy this function below and check if this returns false or not. And it does. Since now we have true if SC is available and false otherwise, we will now copy this entire function and replace it with the logical test in the if function. And finally this has returned the result as we expected. We will just fill the remaining cells with this formula and our job is done. Before we conclude this video, let us sum up what we have done in a nutshell. First we got the position of text SC in the address with search function, and then wrapped the search function within isNumber function, which helped us in returning true if our text was available in address and false otherwise. And finally, we used this logical result as our logical test in if function and we managed to complete our task. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.